हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ जॉन मिल्टन के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड 200 क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स जो किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का वीडियो एंड देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। जॉन मिल्टन वॉज बोर्न इन। जॉन मिल्टन का जो बर्थ है ये कहाँ हुआ था? ही वॉज बोर्न ऑन December 9, 1608 इन ब्रेड स्ट्रीट, लंदन। Who was his father? जॉन मिल्टन के फादर का नेम भी जॉन मिल्टन ही था एंड ही वॉज अ कंपोजर। What was the name of his mother? जॉन मिल्टन की मदर थी सारा जेफरी। Who was tutor of जॉन मिल्टन? जॉन मिल्टन के ट्यूटर थे थॉमस यंग एंड जॉन मिल्टन was very much influenced with him. In Paradise Lost, which angel is ordered by God to drive Adam and Eve out of paradise? गॉड ने किस एंजल को ऑर्डर किया था कि एडम और ईव को पैराडाइज के बाहर कर दिया जाए? He was Michael. Which poet and friend of Milton helped him in release from a brief imprisonment? जॉन मिल्टन को एक बार एक छोटा सा इम्प्रिजनमेंट मिला था और उनको हेल्प किसने की थी इसे बाहर आने में? ही वॉज एंड्रयू मार्वेल. एंड्रयू मार्वेल वॉज a great English metaphysical poet and he was a politician too. Which angel does Satan trick by disguising himself as a cherub? He was Uriel. What is Milton's stated purpose in Paradise Lost? Paradise Lost को लिखने का मिल्टन का जो पर्पस है वो क्या है? It's to justify ways of God to man. What is complete title of Areopagitica? Areopagitica is a prose work of John Milton and the complete title of it, Areopagitica, a speech of Mr. John Milton for the liberty of unlicensed printing to the Parliament of England. Actually, John Milton wrote this work in defense of freedom of press, freedom of expression. Which work was written by Milton to calm down the public's reaction of fear to the beheading of Charles I? Which work is this? Charles I was executed in 1649 and John Milton was a supporter of Cromwell. So to prove that the execution was right, he wrote a work of the tenure of kings and magistrates. Let us reign in hell, since there is more content to live in liberty, thought all condemned, than as his vessels blessed. Who speaks? This is a statement by Lucifer in Paradise Lost, Book 4th. Lost is divided into Milton's Paradise Lost is divided into 12 books. The first version of Milton's Paradise Lost came in 1667 and इस वर्जन में जो नंबर ऑफ बुक्स थी they were 10 and the second version of Paradise Lost came in 1674 and the number of books are 12. So if the question asks how many books were there in the first version of Paradise Lost, then your answer is 10. And if it asks how many books are there in the second version of Paradise Lost, then your answer is 12. And this Paradise Lost is considered the magnum opus of John Milton. It is the masterpiece of John Milton. John Milton's On His Blindness is a Petrarchan sonnet. How sweet is divine philosophy, not harsh and craved as dull fools suppose, but sweet as in Apollo's lute. These lines are from Comus. Comus is a masque written by John Milton and it was written in honor of chastity. It was first published in 1637 anonymously. 1637 में इसको anonymously publish किया गया. लेटर इसे इंक्लूड किया गया जॉन मिल्टन का जो 1645 पोइम्स ये जो कलेक्शन है इसमें इंक्लूड किया गया और उसके बाद उन्होंने 1645 को रिवाइज किया था 1673 में, तो इसमें कॉमर्स को इंक्लूड किया गया. Fame is no plant that grows on mortal soil. This line appears in Lycidas. Lycidas is a pastoral elegy of John Milton. It was written in 1637 and published in 1638. This poem is dedicated to John Milton's friend Edward King. Edward King was a very good friend of John Milton. He met him in Cambridge University. Edward King died by drowning when his ship was sank in the Irish Sea. Fame is the last infirmity of the noble mind. In which poem of Milton does this line occur? This line is from Lycidas. Which book of Paradise Lost begins with an invocation to light? Which book of Paradise Lost begins with an invocation to light? It's book number 3. In which book of Paradise Lost does Milton discuss the principles of free will and divine justice? It's book number 3. How many sonnets did Milton write? मिल्टन ने टोटल कितने सॉनेट्स लिखे हैं? He wrote 24 sonnets. How many languages did John Milton use in his writings? John Milton ने अपनी राइटिंग में टोटल 11 लैंग्वेजेस का यूज किया है. What was Milton's first Latin elegy? मिल्टन की फर्स्ट लैटिन elegy कौन सी थी? It was Elegia Prima, written in 1626. Who wrote epitaphs on the death of Thomas Hobson? Thomas Hobson जो थे एक कैरियर थे, वो मेल्स इधर से उधर लेकर जाते थे और उनका एक वर्क है हॉब्सन्स चॉइस. ही वाज नोन फॉर इट. उनके लिए एपिटैफ लिखा था जॉन मिल्टन ने. जॉन मिल्टन फर्स्ट पोएम टू अपीयर इन प्रिंट was epitaph on the admirable dramatic poet William Shakespeare. Most men admire virtue who follow not her law. These lines are from Paradise Regained. Aeropaetica was written in condemnation of pre-publication censorship. And it was published in 1644. 1644 में से publish किया था. In 1649, Milton published which is an explicit defense of the regicide. It was Iconoclasts. ये जो वर्क है मिल्टन का, ये उन्होंने पब्लिश किया था 1649 में. And it provides justification for the execution of Charles I. जॉन मिल्टन रोट आइकोनोक्लास्ट इन रिस्पॉन्स टू. इन्होंने ये किसके रिस्पॉन्स में लिखा था? ही रोट दिस वर्क इन रिस्पॉन्स टू आइकॉन बेसिलाइक. बिकॉज ये जो वर्क है आइकॉन बेसिलाइक, इसमें ये प्रूव किया गया था कि चार्ल्स फर्स्ट जो था ये वो बहुत इनोसेंट था, उसका एग्जीक्यूशन नहीं किया जाना चाहिए था. तो इसके रिस्पॉन्स में जॉन मिल्टन ने ये पब्लिक को ये मैसेज कन्वे करने की ट्राई की है कि चार्ल्स फर्स्ट का जो एग्जीक्यूशन था वो बिल्कुल ठीक था. Milton's Latin defense of the English people is titled. The title of this Defensio pro populo Anglicano. ये पब्लिश हुआ था 1651 में and this work was commissioned by Parliament. What is stated about Earth in Paradise Lost? Paradise Lost में अर्थ के बारे में क्या कहा गया है? अर्थ की जो पोजीशन है वो क्या है अकॉर्डिंग टू Paradise Lost? Earth hangs from heaven by a chain. How many times does Milton invoke a muse in Paradise Lost? मिल्टन ने Paradise Lost में म्यूज को कितनी बार इन्वोक किया है? तो उन्होंने 3 times इन्वोक किया है म्यूज को. Which tract of Milton recommended for the separation of church and state? It's the reason of church government. How many tracts did Milton write on divorce? Divorce के ऊपर मिल्टन ने टोटल 4 tracts लिखे हैं. A water nymph Sabrina appears in one of Milton's work. Which one? एक वाटर निम्फ सबरीना है जो हमें मिल्टन की एक वर्क में देखने को मिलती है। कौन सा वर्क है ये? इट्स कॉमर्स। Avenge, O Lord, thy slaughtered saints, whose bones lie scattered on the Alpine mountains cold, even them who kept thy truth so pure of old. The above mentioned lines are from. These lines have been taken from his sonnet on the late massacre in Piedmont, and ये जो sonnet है, this is sonnet number 18. ये मिल्टन का sonnet number 18 है और ये पेचारकन सोनेट है और ये पब्लिश हुआ था 1655 में। इन द सोनेट methought I saw my late spouse saint. Milton celebrates his. In the sonnet, Milton celebrates his second wife Catherine. कैथरीन की डेथ के बाद उन्होंने एक ड्रीम देखा जिसमें वो देखते हैं कि उनकी वाइफ जो है वो वापस उनके पास आ गई है। तो उनका ये जो सोनेट है ये उनकी वाइफ के लिए है और ये है सोनेट नंबर 23। ये मिल्टन का सोनेट नंबर 23 है। This man cuts us all out and the ancient too. This is a statement of John Dryden about Milton. Weep no more, woeful shepherds, weep no more. This line appears in. This line is from Lycidas. Which poem of John Milton describes Christ incarnation? Christ का incarnation John Milton की किस poem में describe किया गया है? It has been described in his poem on the morning of Christ's nativity. ये जो poem है इसमें Christ का incarnation मिल्टन ने describe किया है। इस poem को लिखा था उन्होंने 1629 में और फिर ये publish हुई थी 1645 में। From where did England borrow the idea of the mask? Mask जो आया it came from Italy. What is the theme of Areopagitica? Areopagitica की theme क्या है? The theme of this work is freedom of press. A poem of Milton has been written in octosyllabic couplet. Which one? Poem Milton की कौन सी poem octosyllabic couplet में लिखी गई है? It's Penseroso. The phrase bottomless perdition occurs in Milton's Paradise Lost in ये किस बुक में देखने को मिलेगा? This is in book first. Milton belongs to the devil's party without knowing it. Who said? ये statement किसने दिया है? Milton belongs to the devil's party without knowing it. This is a statement of Black, William Black. Paradise is written in. Paradise Lost जो है ये blank verse में लिखी गई है। Paradise Lost begins in. Paradise Lost की शुरुआत कैसे होती है? It begins in medias res. Medias res एक टर्म है, एक लिटरेरी टर्म है ये, जिसे यूज किया गया है ये बताने के लिए कि कोई भी अगर एपिक है, पोएम है, वो कैसे शुरू हो रही है। तो इसका लिटरेरी मीन जो है इट इज इन द माइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स। तो मीन्स की जो स्टोरी शुरू हो रही है वो एकदम बिगिनिंग से शुरू नहीं हो रही, वो बीच से कहीं से शुरू हो रही है और जो उसकी बिगिनिंग है वो बाद में डिस्क्राइब की जा रही है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन पैराडाइज लॉस्ट आप देखेंगे कि जो नरेशन स्टार्ट होती है वो एकदम स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट नहीं होती। नरेशन स्टार्ट होती है कि सैटर्न जो है उसे हेवन से हेल में फेंक दिया गया है। दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट, जो कि स्टोरी की शुरुआत नहीं है, ठीक है। लेकिन ये सब ऐसा क्यों हुआ ये आपको आगे जब स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे तब पता चलेगा। तो मीडियास रस ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसे ध्यान रखिए। पैराडाइज लॉस्ट की शुरुआत हुई है मीडियास रेस में। व्हाट इज एलेग्रोज कंपेनियन पीस कॉल्ड? एलेग्रो ये जो पोएम है मिल्टन की, इसकी कंपेनियन पीस मानी जाती है इल पेंसेरोसो। Before one can write literature which is the expression of the ideal, he must first develop in himself the ideal man, the lofty ideal of Fra Angelico, who said, this is a statement of Milton in Comus. Allegro, Penseroso, Arcades, Comus, Lycidas belongs to, ये जो सारी वर्क्स हैं मिल्टन के, ये उनके हॉस्टन जो पीरियड है इससे बिलोंग करते हैं। ये हॉटन पीरियड क्या है? मिल्टन, दिस इज अ प्लेस जहां पर मिल्टन कुछ टाइम के लिए रहने के लिए गए थे। तो वहां पे रहकर उन्होंने जो पोएम्स लिखी, दे कम under this category the Horton period. Which poem deal with Satan's temptation of Christ in wilderness? It's Paradise Regained. Name the wives of John Milton. John Milton ने 3 times मैरिज की एंड his first wife was Mary Powell. Mary Powell की जब शादी हुई थी जॉन मिल्टन से, she was only 17 years old that time, but she died during childbirth. उसके बाद इन्होंने जो मैरिज की वो की कैथरीन वुडकॉक के साथ. शी ऑल्सो डाइड ड्यूरिंग चाइल्ड बर्थ. देन उनकी जो लास्ट मैरिज थी वो एलिजाबेथ मिंसुल के साथ हुई थी एंड शी वॉज 31 years younger than John Milton. What is the title of sonnet number 19? Sonnet number 19 जो है इसका टाइटल क्या है? The title of sonnet number 19 is When I Consider How My Light is Spent. और इस सोनेट को ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस के नेम से भी जाना जाता है. ये ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस के नेम से काफी पॉपुलर है. In Milton's life, the period from 1630 to 1637 is popularly known as. देखिए होटन जो पीरियड है इसकी हमने बात की थी, ये वही पीरियड है जब मिल्टन जो है होटन में रहने के लिए चले गए थे. तो इस टाइम पे उन्होंने जो पोएम्स लिखी हैं वो होटन जो पीरियड है उसकी कैटेगरी में आती हैं. The Spirit of Lord is upon me. Whose line is this? John Milton. In Paradise Lost, Milton writes that Adam was overcome with and so ate the forbidden fruit against his better knowledge. Paradise Lost में हम देखेंगे कि एडम ने जो forbidden fruit खाया था against his better knowledge, वो किसके इन्फ्लुएंस में आके खाया था? तो उसने फीमेल चार्म मतलब जो ईव जो थी उसके इन्फ्लुएंस में आकर खाया था. The glory never shall his wrath or might exhort from me. What glory is being referred to by Satan? The courage never to submit or yield. Which two poems of Milton are companion pieces? They are Allegro and Penseroso. His style was unconsciously sublime because he lived and thought consciously in a sublime atmosphere. Whose comment is this? This is a comment of Long about John Milton. The ode on the morning of Christ's nativity was begun on Christmas Day 1629. Who was Milton's master? Master here स्पेंसर. लेकिन यहाँ पे मास्टर से मीन उनके ट्यूटर या उनके टीचर से नहीं है. मास्टर मीन्स द मिल्टन जो थे स्पेंसर जो कि एक काफी ग्रेट पोएट थे, उनको अपना मास्टर, उनको अपना आइडियल मानते थे. यूरेनिया अ हेवनली म्यूज अपीयर्स इन. यूरेनिया जो है एक हेवनली म्यूज है, ये आपको पैराडाइज लॉस्ट में देखने को मिलेगी. एंड यूरेनिया जो है ये एक ग्रीक गॉडेस है जिनको कि एस्ट्रोनॉमी की गॉडेस माना जाता है. शी इज अ गॉडेस ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमी. Who described John Milton as the mighty mouthed inventor or harmonies and God gifted organ voice of England? ये स्टेटमेंट्स है टेनिसन के. Bunhill Fields is associated with John Milton. यहाँ पे उनको बरी किया गया है. From 12 years of age, I hardly ever left my studies or went to bed before midnight. Whose statement is this? This is a statement of John Milton. Who wrote To the Nightingale? To the Nightingale ये किसने लिखा है? ये जॉन मिल्टन ने लिखा है. इट इज सोनेट नंबर 1. ये मिल्टन का सोनेट नंबर 1 है. And it presents contrast between two words, nightingale and a cuckoo. Who wrote A Treatise of Civil War? A Treatise of Civil War, whose work is this? This is a work of John Milton. In Paradise Lost, book first, Satan is compared to. Satan को किससे कंपेयर किया है? तो Satan को कंपेयर किया है Leviathan से. Who was the next to Saturn? Saturn के next कौन आता है? He is Beelzebub. Who came last in the line of fallen angels? Fallen angels की लाइन में जो सबसे लास्ट में आया था वो कौन था, वो था बिलियल। फॉलन एंजल से मीन उन एंजल से है जिनको कि हेवन से हेल में फेंक दिया गया था। For this infernal pit shall never hold celestial spirits in bondage. Where do these lines appear? These lines are from Paradise Lost. Let not admire that riches grow in hell, that soil may best deserve the precious bane. Where do these lines appear? These lines are from Paradise Lost. The opening 16 lines of Paradise Lost comprise Paradise Lost की जो starting की 6 lines है वो actually में एक ही sentence है. They are in one sentence. In Paradise Lost, Milton presents the action of the fall of man in two stages. In book उन्होंने जो fall of man है इसको two stages में describe किया है in book 4th and book 9th में. Milton's On His Blindness ends with an expression of the poet's faith in God's way. In Paradise Lost, which character narrates the story of the making of Eve from a rib in Adam's side? It is Adam. Who is Milton's On His Blindness is believed to serve God best. करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है? One who bears his burden best. A person who bears his burden. We read Paradise Lost as a task nobody ever wished it longer. Who said? This is a statement of Dr. John. The abilities of the poet are the inspired gift of God rarely bestowed. Who said? This is a statement of John Milton. Milton wrote a Latin pastoral to express his sorrow on the death of his friend Charles Dioretti. Name the poem. ये चार्ल्स डियोरेटी जो थे ये जॉन मिल्टन के चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड थे और उनकी डेथ पर उन्होंने एक लैटिन पेस्टरल लिखा है. इस पोएम का नेम है एपिथेपियम डेमोनिस. Which work of John Milton is an attack on the political corruption of the clergy in the English church and a plea for democracy in the structure of the church. Political corruption जो होता था इंग्लिश चर्च में, ठीक है. तो ये जो वर्क है इनका ये है ऑफ रिफॉर्मेशन. Milton talks of the supplementing of books with personal contact and practical experience. Where does he talk? In Of Education. Of Education में उन्होंने जो है यूनिवर्सिटीज के रिफॉर्म की बात की है. They also serve who only stand and wait. In this line, they stand for. यहाँ पे ये जो वर्ड है they ये किसके लिए आया है? ये उन लोगों के लिए आया है who patiently accept the decree of God. For the people who patiently accept the decree of God. In the poem On His Blindness, Milton speaks of one talent. मिल्टन ने अपने एक टैलेंट की बात की है कि गॉड ने मुझे ये टैलेंट दिया है तो मैं इसका अच्छे से यूज करूं इन द सर्विस ऑफ गॉड. तो वो टैलेंट क्या है? वो टैलेंट है पोएटिक एबिलिटी का. Who is the writer of essays on Milton? ये essays on Milton ये वर्क है मैकाले का. When I consider how my life is spent, what does light refer to? Light का मीन है यहाँ पे आई साइट से. Lycidas was written in the memory of. ये जो वाक्य इनका इन्होंने लिखा है एडवर्ड किंग की मेमोरी में. Thy soul was like a star and dwelt apart. Who said? Wordsworth about John Milton. When was Paradise Lost published? Paradise Lost published हुई थी 1667 में एंड जॉन मिल्टन ने इसको लिखना शुरू किया था 1660 में लिखना शुरू किया. 1665 में ये कंप्लीट हुई एंड देन फर्स्ट एडिशन 1667 में आया. Nothing is here for tears, nothing to wail or knock the breast, no weakness, no contempt, dispraise or blame. Where from these lines taken? These lines have been taken from Samson Agonist. The literary form of commerce is, it is a mask. But oh, as to embrace me she inclined, I waked, she fled, and day brought back my night are the concluding lines of These are the concluding lines of the sonnet. Methought I saw my late spouse sent. What thought the field be lost, all is not lost. Spoken by. This is a statement by Satan in Paradise Lost. In an international congress of poets, Milton and Shakespeare would represent the English nation, who said, Mark Pattison, who appointed Milton to the post of Latin secretary. Milton served as a civil servant for Cromwell. Cromwell appointed him as Latin secretary. Fill in the blank. Better to reign in hell than serve in heaven. This is a line from Paradise Lost. John Milton became blind at the age of. John Milton became blind at the age of 44. What kind of work is Samson Agonis? Samson Agonis जो है ये क्या है? ये एक वर्स प्ले है. In which year Milton's Lycidas was written? It was written in 1637. Who wrote History of Britain? History of Britain के राइटर हैं जॉन मिल्टन. John Milton's poetic style is regarded as, the poetic style of John Milton is grand. Who wrote Life of Milton? This is the work of Samuel Johnson. In which of his tracts does Milton say, he who destroys a good book kills reason itself, kills the image God as it were in the eyes? Areopagitica. Who disapproved Milton's Lycidas for its inherent improbability? Samuel Johnson. In Milton, there is always an appearance of effort. In Shakespeare, scarcely any. This remark has been made by, this is a remark of William Hazlitt. Whom does Milton accuse in Paradise Lost as the sons of Belial, flown with insolence and wine? तो सन्स ऑफ बिलियल उन्होंने बोला है एंग्लिकन क्लर्जीज को, कैवलियर जो पोइट्स थे उनको, और जो ओपोनेंट्स थे कॉमनवेल्थ के उनको. Paradise Lost was completed in 1665. Milton was appointed to the position of Latin secretary to Cromwell's government chiefly due to his work. अपने किस वर्क की वजह से उनको ये पोस्ट मिली? On the tenure of kings and magistrates, जो कि उन्होंने चार्ल्स फर्स्ट के एग्जीक्यूशन के सपोर्ट में लिखी थी. Samson Agonist shows Milton's desire to bring over into English the gravity and calm dignity of the Greek tragedies. Allegro and Il Penseroso इनका मीन है, जो Allegro है इसका मीन है joyous man और Penseroso का मीन है the meditative man. What was the name of Milton's mother? मिल्टन की मदर का नेम क्या है? तो उनकी मदर का नेम है सारा जेफरी. और जॉन मिल्टन wrote Ode on the morning of Christ's nativity at the age of 21. उन्होंने ये जो ओड है ये 21 की एज पर लिखा था. Which poet was called Lady of Christ by his fellow undergraduates? जॉन मिल्टन को लेडी ऑफ क्राइस्ट बोला जाता था बिकॉज ऑफ हिज लुक. Who wrote the sonnet when the assault was intended to the city? This is a sonnet of John Milton and this is sonnet number 8. ये sonnet number 8 है जॉन मिल्टन का और इससे लिखा था उन्होंने 1642 में. Milton's Paradise Lost has been praised for its grand style. The period known as the age of Milton is Milton age 1625 to 1660. From which book has John Milton it been taken to be weak is miserable, doing or suffering? This is from Paradise Lost. Milton's poetry is a mirror in which the writer's character is very clearly reflected. Who made this statement? This is a statement by Macmillan. The age of Milton has three kinds of poet. मिल्टन की जो एज थी 1625 से 1660, ठीक है। तो इसमें थ्री टाइप्स के पोइट आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, वो है मेटाफिजिकल, कैविलियर और प्यूरिटन, और मिल्टन एक प्यूरिटन पोइट थे। Paradise Lost was written by Milton in the last phase of his life. In which poem does the following line appear? Solitude sometimes is best society. In Paradise Lost. Milton's Samson Agonist is a classical tragedy. In the year 1637, Milton confided to his friend that he had fixed his mind upon writing some monumental poetical work. Who was he? He was Edward King. The woman character Delilah appears in ये जो वुमन करेक्टर है डेलिला, शी इज द ओनली वुमन कैरेक्टर इन सैमसन एगोनिस्ट, एंड सैमसन एगोनिस्ट इज अ tragic crusade drama. It was published in 1671. The line "the mind is its own place and in itself can make a heaven or hell, a hell of heaven" occur in Paradise Lost. On which poem is the following line apart? For them no more the blazing heart shall burn. Lycidas. Who is called a belated Elizabethan poet? John Milton. John Milton was a passionate man who lived in passionate times. Who said? These are the words of John Bailey. Who is called the child of Renaissance? John Milton is considered a child of Renaissance. Which poem of Milton represents the poet in a gay and merry mood, and it paints an idealistic picture of rustic life from dawn to dusk? It's Allegro. When the Civil War broke out in 1642, Milton threw his heart and soul into the struggle against King Charles I. Which poem of Milton is called the last great Elizabethan poem? Paradise Lost. In which poem Milton deals with an ancient Hebrew legend of Samson, the mighty champion of Israel, now blind and scorned, working as a slave among Philistines? It's Samson Agonist. To justify the base of God to man, this line belongs to which poem of Milton? Paradise Lost. How many times did Milton marry? Milton married 3 times. In which book of Paradise Lost Adam and Eve meet for the first time? They met for the first time in book number 4. Milton borrowed the theme of commerce from Homer's Odyssey. Milton derived the title for his Areopagitica from the Greek word Areopagus. What was Areopagus? Greek word Areopagus का मीन होता है a Greek hill where a tribunal for the liberty of speech was held. तो liberty of speech से ये related है, that's why उन्होंने to defend the liberty of speech इस word को choose किया. Milton wrote a large number of political pamphlets and treatises. What are they called? They are called as tracts. Which college did Milton attend? Milton was a student of Christ College. Milton wrote how many English sonnets? English sonnets Milton ने लिखे हैं total 6, और जो उनके पेटाकन सॉनेट हैं they are 18. तो टोटल इन्होंने 24 सॉनेट्स लिखे हैं. 6 English sonnets, 18 Italian sonnets. Who said the style of Paradise Lost is lofty and exalted and show the influence of Latin writers? Ligois. These are the words of Ligois. Who made the rhymed version of Paradise Lost? Paradise Lost का rhymed version किसने बनाया? Dryden. Who described Milton as an acrimonious and surly Republican? Samuel Johnson. Who wrote Arcades? Arcades जो है ये एक मास्क है, just like कॉमर्स, तो ये लिखी थी जॉन मिल्टन ने। What is the meaning of Samson Agonis? Samson Agonis का मीन क्या है? Samson Agonis का मीन है wrestler. Paradise Regained appeared in 1671 in 4 books. 4 books में publish हुई थी ये। Paradise Regained consists of 4 books. Who wrote The Life of John Milton? A.N. Wilson. The word pandemonium in Paradise Lost means, pandemonium ये जो word है Paradise Lost में, इसका literal mean क्या है? इसका mean है all demons, और इसका एक mean और है that's the capital of hell, the capital of hell. और ये जो word है इसे coin किया था जॉन मिल्टन ने। In Of Education, Milton urges a reform of the, of education में मिल्टन ने यूनिवर्सिटीज के रिफॉर्म की बात की है। Milton's poetry notebook is known as Trinity Mellon, who was the first modern writer to employ unrhymed words outside of the theatre and translations. The first modern writer to employ unrhymed words outside of the theatre or translations, he was John Milton, who is regarded as one of the preeminent writers in the English language. John Milton. Sonnet number 16 by John Milton is addressed to. This sonnet is addressed to Cromwell. In which of his work John Milton praised Oliver Cromwell? Oliver Cromwell को John Milton ने अपने किस वर्क में प्रेज किया है? That's Defensio Secunda. In his work A Treatise of Power, John Milton attacks the concept of state-dominated church. What is Art of Logic? Art of Logic क्या है? Grammar textbook of Milton. John Milton's first published poem was. John Milton की first published poem थी On Shakespeare. What is the complete title of 1645 poems? इसका complete title था Poems of Mr. John Milton, both English and Latin, composed at several times. Milton sold the publication rights for Paradise Lost to publisher Samuel Simmons for, उन्होंने £5 के लिए, only for £5 he sold the publication rights for Paradise Lost to the publisher. In which year did Milton republish his poem 1645? ये जो 1645 है जो हमने यहाँ पे बात की थी poems की, ये इन्होंने republish कराया था 1673 में. Just before his death in 1674, Milton supervised a second edition of Paradise Lost. It was accompanied by an explanation of why the poem rhymes not and prefatory verses by Andrew Marvell. How many lines are there in the poem Lycidas? Lycidas में total 193 lines हैं. Who wrote a poem of criticism and interpretation on Milton's Paradise Lost? मिल्टन की Paradise Lost में जो है उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन किसने किया और एक पोएम ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म किसने लिखा है? उनके जो फ्रेंड थे एंड्रू मार्वेल, उन्होंने लिखा है, और उनकी लिखी ये जो राइटिंग पीस है इसको इन्होंने मिल्टन ने जो अपना सेकेंड एडिशन ये जो लाए थे 1674 में, उसमें इसको इंक्लूड भी किया है. Which sonnet of Milton ends with the line that also serve who only stand and wait? This is when I consider how my light is spent. Who considered Milton's poetry as not serious poetry? He is T.S. Eliot. Who wrote De Doctrine Christiana? John Milton. London 1802 is a poem dedicated to Milton by, ये पोएम किसकी है? ये जॉन मिल्टन को डेडिकेटेड करते हुए विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने लिखी है. In which book of Paradise Lost does the fall of Adam and Eve take place? That's very important. Adam and Eve का जो fall है ये किस बुक में देखने को मिलता है आपको? In book 9. Galileo is mentioned in one of Milton's work. Which one? It's Paradise Lost. सैमसन एगोनिस्ट इज रिटन ऑन द मॉडल ऑफ, सैमसन एगोनिस्ट को किसके मॉडल पे लिखा है? सैमसन एगोनिस्ट इज रिटन ऑन द मॉडल ऑफ ग्रीक ट्रेजेडी. The events described in Paradise Lost are drawn from the Bible, mostly from बाइबल की जो बुक है जेनेसिस, इससे इन्होंने इन इवेंट्स को लिया है. और जेनेसिस जो है इसे इंग्लिश बाइबल में ओल्ड टेस्टामेंट के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, और हिब्रू में इसे जेनेसिस जो कि फर्स्ट बुक है बाइबल की, इसके नाम से जाना जाता है. Who wrote the sonnet to the Nightingale? To the Nightingale किसने लिखा है? To the Nightingale लिखा है जॉन मिल्टन ने. Which book of Milton is based on the theme of Jesus' temptation in the wilderness? It's Paradise Regained. Who helped Milton in writing after he became blind? मिल्टन जब ब्लाइंड हो गए तो उसके बाद राइटिंग में उनकी हेल्प कौन करता था? उनकी 3 डॉटर्स थी, वो उनकी हेल्प क्या करती थी उनकी राइटिंग में. उनकी डॉटर्स के नेम थे एन, मैरी एंड डोब्रा. नेम द 4 ट्रैक्स मिल्टन रोट ऑन डिवोर्स. डिवोर्स के ऊपर मिल्टन ने 4 ट्रैक लिखे हैं. दे आर द डॉक्ट्रिन एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑफ डिवोर्स, द जजमेंट ऑफ मार्टिन ब्रूसर, टेट्राकॉर्डन एंड कोलेस्ट्रेडियम. What does the word Oreb refer in the opening invocation of the Paradise Lost? ये जो वर्ड है Oreb, इसका मीन क्या है? It means Mount Horeb and it is also called Mount Horeb. Death is the golden key that opens the palace of eternity. Who said? Milton in Paradise Lost. Which work of Fletcher influenced Milton? Milton was much influenced by Christ, Victory and Triumph. It's a work of Fletcher. Who has described Paradise Lost as the dream of a Puritan fallen asleep over his Bible? This is a statement of Lamartine. When Milton wrote on the morning of Christ's nativity, he was only 21 years old. What is strength without a double share of wisdom? Who said? What is a strength without a double share of wisdom? John Milton. Why was Milton nicknamed Milton the Divorcer? मिल्टन को ये निकनेम दे दिया गया था मिल्टन द डिवोर्सर का. ये इसलिए दिया था बिकॉज he published the doctrine and discipline of divorce, Tetrachordon. In which year Milton lost his eyesight? Milton lost his eyesight in 1652. And on the other hand, unless weariness as good almost kill a man as kill a good book. This is a quote from this quote is from Aeropatica. Who wrote Of Reformation? Of Reformation is a work of John Milton. Good and evil we know in the field of this world grow up together almost inseparably, and the knowledge of good is so involved and interwoven with the knowledge of evil. These lines have been taken from Aeropatica. Who wrote on the late massacre in Piedmont? This is a work of John Milton. Who wrote Arcades? Arcades is a work of John Milton. Of True Religion was published in. Of True Religion was published in. It was published in 1673. Who coined the word Pandemonium? What does it mean? ये जो वर्ड है पेंडेमोनियम ये कॉइन किया था जॉन मिल्टन ने, एंड इट मीन्स ऑल जीमॉन्स. वेयर डिड मिल्टन मीट द ग्रेट एस्ट्रोनॉमर गैलीलियो? गैलीलियो जो कि ग्रेट एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे, मिल्टन met him in Florence. In 1852, edition of John Milton's poetical work was bound in the skin of a murderer George Cudmore by the bookseller. George Cudmore एक मर्डरर था जिसने अपनी वाइफ का मर्डर किया था, तो इसलिए इसको डेथ का पनिशमेंट मिला. तो इसकी जो स्किन थी वो बुक सेलर क्लिफर्ड के पोजेशन में आती थी. तो उसने क्या किया, 1852 का जो एडिशन था जॉन मिल्टन का, इसे इसकी स्किन में बाइंड कर दिया. दैट्स ट्रू. हु इज कॉल्ड अ बिलेटेड एलिजाबेथन? जॉन मिल्टन. For I thought it best to be travelling at my ease for intellectual culture, while my fellow countrymen at home were fighting for liberty, who gave up travelling with this plea? John Milton. In 1635, where did Milton move to and what studies did he pursue? This is 1632. This is 1632, not 1635, right? 1632 में मिल्टन कहाँ मूव किए एंड वहां पे उन्होंने क्या परस्यू किया? इन 1632 ही मूव टू हॉटन. 1632 से 1637 तक का ये जो पीरियड है, ये हॉटन पीरियड माना जाता है मिल्टन की लाइफ में. और यहाँ पे इन्होंने स्टडी की थी ग्रीक, लैटिन और इटालियन लैंग्वेजेस की. फॉर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स डिड सिविल वॉर साइलेंस्ड हिज वर्क? मिल्टन क्रोमवेल के साथ एसोसिएटेड थे. ही वॉज वर्किंग एज लैटिन सेक्रेटरी और सिविल वार भी हो रहा था उस टाइम पर. तो इन सब की वजह से 20 ईयर्स तक मिल्टन जो थे अपनी पोइट्री पर ध्यान नहीं दे पाए. How many children did Milton have? Milton have 5 children, 4 from his first wife Mary and 1 from second wife Catherine. Milton was a Puritan. When did Milton died? Milton died in 1674 at the age of 65. It's all for today. I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. ऐसे ही और वीडियोस अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.